Peace, how y'all doing? Y'all good? Alright, keep the music. Spirit moves. Before I start, I know it's kind of late and everything, but I like to have a little quality time, get the energy up really quickly. So, when I say when the truth speaks, y'all say just listen. Like turn it up a notch every time I say it. So they can hear you all the way over at the New York and shit. Right. So when the truth speaks, just listen. When the truth speaks, just listen. The truth speaks, just listen. The truth speaks, just listen. Sons of society, born with a scarlet and senior letter that's true to my soul. In a pessimistic world, robbing karma of its duties, when your boy really no good, no great becomes the next plateau. And a fatherless child always becomes less of a father to his spawn and born to the street. A young brother with cyanide-centered morals, breathing arsenic nostalgia into short-term future ahead. If as he leaves, no guardian angel on the sacrifice his wings to save him. Burn a man like this carry, also heavy, shooter, hold in and around his sight, success of the match light, the hem of these gasoline drawers going by him. But my torment is different, but not too different. The master is beaten torment with stick-up kid mentality, family friends on the low, all to get them ends, should have forgotten. Self-worth is the only sense I have to make sense of the troubled storms of life, learn to ease my troubled mind. Should have forgotten, judgment excludes no one in the end. Hand, head, heart, soul, all the cuts say death-defying games of how the Scorpio got stung by an X with Brooklyn Brown bomber battle tactics. So the Joe Lewis in me, looking for these boxes way out of sadistic anarchy. Became a high school dropout, I'm with the wrong crowd. I got that DVD, combined street and book knowledge to break into college. Year and a half in it, lost my mark and scarred me well along the way. Led astray like Malcolm saved by sex, the lust, the false love, and the love of drugs. Maybe the spirit of God and Parks to help me see the picture more clearly, so lack of focus continues. Illuminati society, always hungry with my soul on the menu. OG for my slaggers and hustlers, soda, break away from the suckers and busters. Too much liquor will kill you quicker than stay true to your heart. The mind and eyes can play tricks. Words are powerful and can be misleading. You believe half of what you hear, another what you see. The system was designed to get the best of we. Consider this a pagan. Finding my solace. Road to redemption is next. With an underdog battle cry. Let the ink of my God commission sacrifice like Abraham be the bullet. Let my pen be the gun until I rain down justified hope. The heavens help kill the sin. Brooklyn's lost son. I am Brooklyn's lost son. This is Brooklyn's lost son. Riding till my kingdom comes.
Yeah.
It's $10. I also have a book on me too. Yeah, I'm packing tonight. It's called Unlock Thoughts of Prophet Temple. The next book is coming out actually in December. Which has kind of crazy titles called Customer Versus Worst Verse. But yeah, I got both of them on me for $10. I also got a business card and stuff. So definitely.
How much is the business card?
They're $3.99. So definitely holler at me before y'all go. Thank God bless me.
We wanted that one, Barry.
All right, well.